Living in an RV full-time doesn't mean giving up comfort, and in some cases it actually feels like an upgrade. That's exactly what Grand Design is going for with the Solitude lineup, and the 2026 Solitude 3800FL really shows what's possible when you go all in on space, design, and everyday livability. This model sits right in the middle of the Solitude range, but it definitely doesn't feel like a compromise. It's built around a front living layout and can sleep up to 6 people, with 1 full bathroom and an additional half bath. The finishes throughout feel premium, and the kitchen alone might convince you to spend more time indoors than out. It's clearly designed for long stays or even full-time living. Everywhere you look, there's attention to detail, smart use of space, and tons of storage, including a few hidden compartments for valuables. The whole setup is built on a wide-body chassis with 5 slide-outs that really open things up, plus 2 awnings outside for when you want to relax outdoors. At over 41 feet long, this is a big 5th wheel, but it uses that size well. One standout feature is the storage situation. There's a front pass-through compartment, but the rear storage area is the real highlight. It's huge, with durable flooring, a slide-out tray, built-in lighting, and multiple access points. You could easily pack everything you need for an extended trip and still have room left over. When you step inside, you're right in the kitchen, and it immediately feels like home. There's a large island, a dedicated coffee station, and a freestanding dining table with stylish chairs. The appliances are all residential grade, including a big fridge with freezer drawers, a 4-burner cooktop, a spacious oven, and a microwave. There's even one of those all-in-one accessory sinks you've probably seen online, plus a well-designed pantry and clever storage touches like a hidden spice rack. It's not just good-looking, it's genuinely practical. Just off the kitchen is a convenient half bath, perfect for quick use, without heading through the rest of the RV. A few steps up in one direction takes you to the living room, which doubles as extra sleeping space thanks to 2 trifold sofas. There's a large smart TV that rises from a cabinet, a solid sound system, and an electric fireplace that adds both warmth and atmosphere. Across from that, you've got reclining theater seats, ideal for relaxing or just enjoying the view through the front window. Head the other way, and you'll find the bedroom, which feels cozy but still spacious. It comes standard with a queen bed, with the option to upgrade to a king. Storage is everywhere, including some hidden spots, and there are thoughtful touches, like a headboard shelf and a full dresser with a TV mounted above it. At the very back, the master bathroom feels more like something you'd expect in a house. You get dual sinks, lots of cabinet space, a large glass shower with a spa-style setup, and even washer-dryer prep. There are small but thoughtful details too, like a dedicated drawer for hair tools, which really shows how much planning went into this design. In terms of features, it comes well equipped with things like an on-demand water heater, strong heating and cooling systems, a fully walkable roof, and large water and waste tank capacities. Everything you'd want for longer stays without constantly worrying about hookups. As for pricing, it's definitely in the premium category. The MSRP is typically over $160,000, but most buyers end up paying somewhere closer to the mid-$130,000 range, depending on options and dealer pricing. Overall, the Solitude 3800FL feels less like a typical RV and more like a mobile luxury home. Whether you're traveling for months at a time or going fully off-grid with your lifestyle, it's built to make that experience comfortable, practical, and honestly pretty enjoyable.